Everyone, so today I thought we would do something different. I'm working from home today and I've got Leslie and my little boy over there just enjoying our day today working. We're busy at work, but today I thought I would show you guys how to make my favorite cashew milk. So I had fresh raw cashew nuts that were soaked overnight, and I left it and I drained all the water, and so I'm going to put it in my Vita mixer. I like to add a little bit of Vita or coconut water because it's the nature's own Gatorade with its electrolyte content. I'm barely out of them. And then I add my water, filtered water. I like to do probably about 1:2 ratio with the nuts and the water. So I'm going to have to get a little bit more water, so stay with me. I like cashew milk because you can just enjoy the whole goodness with the nuts in it. You don't have to filter the nut greens out. And I like all the proteins, and I really like the texture of especially the cashew milk. If you want to, I don't add the vanilla. You can add the vanilla flavor to this and a little bit of maple syrup if you want a little sweetness. But I just like a little bit of a pinch of Celtic sea salt. I'm not going to add it right now because I like it just the way it is. And then perhaps based on whoever's drinking it in my home, I'm going to add a pinch just to kind of bring out the flavor of the nuts. So I'm going to put my Vita mix on low. You can use just about any mixer. And then I cut it down to variable and I turn this on. And I guess as far as the ratio of water to the nuts, you can choose to do whatever you want to do. I just like to do 1:2 ratio, works really well for me. I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to crank this up. So that's about a minute on high, if that. So we're going to see how it turned out. I love the creaminess of this. And then you can put it in a pitcher and enjoy it for a couple of days. So I'm going to try a little bit. It's just so creamy just on its own. And I personally don't like the salt. This is why I don't add it. But if you just put a pinch of salt, it'll enhance that nutty goodness, and it's so creamy, and it's my favorite of all nut milks, even more than almond milk. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm looking to do a little bit more recipes, more simple tips with you to alkalize your body in the future. So please write in the comments below and leave me any suggestions. So until next week, I'll see you guys later.